Here at the Communications Seg, we maintain some of the HF and VHF equipment for the ships, and any equipment that needs to be repaired or emergent defects, we can go out and repair that.
The sets we align here are vital for the communications within the Navy across the whole fleet, from ship to ship and ship to shore. They provide the link for communications with all of the fleet.
Some of the ships can't even sail without the equipment that we actually work on. It's pretty vital.
I was looking at the tasks of the HF transmitter alignment. It involves removing part of the internal equipment and conducting live work. I looked at the levels of the voltage inside the equipment and it just seemed unnecessarily unsafe. There was 3 ideas popped into my head. One was to see if we could do the test without actually lifting the equipment apart. The second innovation I came up with was the monitor program. The program can interrogate the HF transmitter and identify if there's any problems with it. So I can get readings for the temperatures and power levels without even opening up the top cover. The third innovation basically works off Microsoft Access program. It's a way of inputting the data from the alignment as we're actually conducting the alignments. The program checks those results as we enter. It saves any kind of rework.
We now have the laptop to monitor power levels, supply voltages and everything. It gives us a good, clean overview of how the system is operating from the start. With everything streamlined, we don't have to worry about lost paperwork and it's more accurate results.
The database that's been developed has made things a lot easier to work with, so we don't have a gigantic paper trail, it's all done electronically.
Having the new procedures that PREs have set up enables us to work more effectively, have a higher input and output, and aligning the sets to better standards.
Fantastic to be able to work in an environment that supports new ideas. If we can get our equipment set up earlier, quicker and faster, we can get them out on the ships, allowing our ships to be out in the sea a lot quicker and faster to achieve our goals, Navy goal, which is fighting and winning in the maritime environment.
The most important thing for me here is to make sure the staff work in a safe manner and we can get the ships back to sea as soon as possible.